In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to embed widgets or a Web 2.0 type of tool. Good websites. What makes a good website? What makes an interactive website? Web 2.0. How has Web 2.0 affected web page development and design? Widgets. What are widgets? Well, let's look. Widgets. This is a site called Wikipedia, and there's a bunch of widgets here that you can explore. But what is a widget? A widget is a small application that runs on your desktop or on a web page. Widgets enrich your desktop or web pages with functionality and useful information and can be a lot of fun. However, they can be very frustrating to try to embed in a web page. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So you can look through these widgets, and there's lots of fun. You have clocks. Let's look at adventure. Let's see. You can put in a game, but that's for an iPhone. Let's look at games. So it says web ready. So you just get the embed code and you'd put it in there, and hopefully it'll work. But like I said, it doesn't work all the time. The school center page is out of date, but so you go to Wikipedia, and that is a good source for widgets. You can also just type widgets into Bing or Google, and they come up with some widgets. Other tools, VoiceThread. We've done some VoiceThread in this, but you can search for voice threads if you want to. You can browse for different voice threads that have been uploaded, and here's one on math strategies. But remember, you're doing a website on an issue or current event or a team, so if you found one that related to your topic, you can embed the voice thread. You have Wall Wisher, which is a fun tool. You can create a wall wisher and you can put it in. You build a wall and you have people post to your wall. Wordle. You can search Wordles or you can create your own Wordle. They're a lot of fun. And again, if you say you're doing one on the U.S. Constitution, you could embed this Wordle in your web page. So here is the Wordle, and you can take a screenshot of it and put it in your web page if you wish. SlideShare is a place where a bunch of PowerPoints have been posted, and you could find possibly a slide or a presentation on your topic, and then you can embed it. So if you were doing the scrutiny of science goes public, notice they have the embed code, and you just copy this code and you'd put it into your website. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Photosynth is really cool. Load, and so a photosynth is just a bunch of photos linked together. So this is a photosynth of this, I think it has something to do with Obama's re-election. But if you went over here to like national parks, and it's just a photo, a panoramic view that were stitched together of this national park. And there's different kinds, but you see the embed code. If you get it, copy it, paste it into Expression Web, you have embedded this photosynth into your web page. Volky, you can make your own avatar to speak if you want to, and then you can embed it in your web page. So they're pretty cool. So what you do is you find where the embed code is, and sometimes it's with these parentheses here. Sometimes you can find the parentheses. Sorry. Sometimes it'll be under share or an embed, and you copy all the code and then you're going to paste it into your web page. So with Expression Web, you paste it into the code view, okay? And I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. And then you save it, and then you can preview it in Internet Explorer. The advantages of embedding videos: another thing you can embed is a YouTube video or a CNN video, or some sort of video. There's no problems with copyright issues since the people posting these videos have agreed to share them for free if they put the embed code in there and they're using their players. Bandwidth limitations, that helps with that. And if you embed a movie in a web page, if you take the movie and upload it in the web page, it takes a while for it to upload. With embed codes, it's just drawing it from YouTube or whatever, so it helps with your speed of your web page. Some disadvantages, for like YouTube, you can embed them, but you wouldn't be able to do it at school. So oftentimes, some of the common video services are blocked by security software that protects the networks, like those at many schools and jobs. If you have original multimedia content you want to post, often you cannot sell or podcast through embed code and through these services. Alright, so you're going to find two widgets and you're going to use one of them in your web page. So let me show you how to do it in Expression Web. So you need to open your Expression Web. I'm just going to do it with a new web page. Okay, so I have this blank page right here. If I go to split mode, I have all of the code that you see. And so let's say I was doing a project on football and helmets and concussions, and I wanted to find a YouTube video about this. So I go to YouTube, and say I wanted to do football concussions, and make sure your video is appropriate. But let's just say we do huge concussion hits. I'll mute it so we don't have to listen to all of it. But so say you get through this, and there's that hit. And so say you wanted to embed this video into your web page. So you go down here to share, and there's the link, but if you click embed, you have this code here. You click copy, and then you go to your expression design, and notice you're in the body tags, and I click paste. I did it in the code view and not in down here in the design view. Now when I come down here, you'll see that there is just a window that doesn't look like much. Okay, so I need to preview this page. I'm probably going to have to save it. Okay, so I'll just click OK, and I'm going to save it in here. I'm just going to call embed, and when it pulls up Expression Web, notice down here it says allow block content. So I'm going to pull up Internet Explorer, and there is the video I embedded in my thing. And this is interesting. I haven't had this happen before. Contains content from WMG. It's restricted from playback on certain sites. So you say just click watch it on YouTube. It'll take you to YouTube. So that's interesting. Let's try to find another video. And I embed all my videos on these lessons. So if we go look at a different, let's go to maybe you want a news topic, and we'll go to CNN, breaking news, and go to TV video. Let's watch this ping pong playing robot. Maybe you have a ping pong club that you're doing something on. So you come over here, and notice down here you see this little brackets, and you click on the brackets here, it says embed code is copied successfully. So now I go to my expression web page. Now if I put it in design mode, it's not gonna, that's all it does. So we don't want to do that. We want to put it in the body code. Paste it in there. Click on this down there and you see this window shows up. It won't do anything while you're in expression web. Go to preview, save page, and it says allow block content. So now we have two videos. This one won't work. Well, no, maybe it will. Oh, won't work. That was that first YouTube video, but here is the ping pong playing robot video. So click on the video to play, and now this video is embedded in my web page. Okay, and you've embedded it into your web page. So it's real easy to embed code into your web page. You just got to find the source on the internet page. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and that's how you embed. Let's look at widgets real quick. Let's go search for widgets. We go to widget box maybe. Let's see, click on widgets, and if you have something, or you can search, right, and let's just do weather. And there's a baby one, and we want a weather widget. So I click on it. And you're going to find the, so this is where it says get widget. And here's a JavaScript. Okay. And you can embed it in different applications here. So I'm just going to copy this, and it says now you can paste it. So I'm going to go to my web page, and I'm going to paste it in my body tag. Make a little space and paste, and I'll paste it in here. And again, when I come down here, you don't see anything. So let's see how it works. Preview page. So remember, to see your widget or your embed code, you always got to preview the page. Allow block content, and let's hope for the best. See if it shows up. And right down there we have the widget. I click there for the forecast, and it brings it up. So obviously you probably want to set that to a local town. And you can look for other widgets as well. So that's how you embed a widget, and you're going to need to embed something from either YouTube, or there's a lot of video services out there. You can do Widgetpedia, Widgetbox. You can make a Volky and put it in there. But you're going to need to have something embedded for your project. If you have any questions, always feel free to email or call me.